Okay guys, your PC ran into problem and needs to be restarted. So if you guys are getting the error message like this and the stop code error is like kernel security check failure. It's kernel security check failure. So if you guys are getting the error something like this, you're gonna follow the steps in the tutorial. One the other step, I hope it helps. If it helps, you're gonna share this video with your friends and family.
Okay guys, here is the BIOS setting. Now in BIOS, you're gonna see here it is boot sequence. So when I click on boot sequence, you're gonna see I have a couple of options on the top. Here's the boot sequence, there's a couple of options on the top, and it's UEFI. Legacy option is grayed out, I cannot change it. Advanced boot option, and then enable legacy option room. Just check this box and it is displaying the message. So at first you have to disable the secure boot. So click on OK twice and it will go away. Here is secure boot. Click on it. Here is secure boot enable option. Click on that. So it's a drop down icon. On the right side, it is checked. Uncheck it. Click on yes. And at the bottom, click on apply. Click on OK. Now, just go back to boot sequence. It's still grayed out. Go to advanced boot option and try to enable it. Again, PPT enabled. Now we have to disable the PPT. So what you guys gonna do? You're gonna see here's the security. Inside security also, it's a drop down icon. Click on plus sign, and then here is the PPT. Just click on PPT. Once you click on this PPT, it's a PTT security. It is turned on. Just disable it, and then click on apply, and then click on OK. Now we'll go back to the boot sequence. It's still grayed out. We'll go to the advanced boot option. We'll check this box and then click on apply. Click on OK. Now we go back to the boot sequence. Now you can see it is not grayed out. You can just enable it.
Go to source and type update. Here you have check for updates. Click on it, or you're going to type check for updates straightly. So when you type check for updates, you're going to see this window. What you're going to do is you can download and install the updates, or you can just check for the updates. It will check for all the necessary updates. Finally, you can see it is downloading and installing, and then after you can restart your PC. Do not forget to restart for the changes to take effect. So this will fix your issue. It's you can see this one is completed manually. Just download and install. If any options over here, it is manually to download and install. You have to download and install manually, and restart your computer for the changes to take effect. So this should fix your issue.
Okay guys, you're gonna type the command sfc / scan now. It needs to be together and press enter key. So it will take some time. Let it to complete 100% and you're all done. Okay guys, you can sit down with the 100%. Now just exit it. Okay, let me exit it and press enter again. Finally, we'll just give a restart to your PC and check if it fixes the issue.
Okay guys, update the driver. Give a right click on this PC or on my computer. Show more options, and here you have a manage. So you will click over here on device manager, and here you have a drivers. So anywhere you see this drop down icon, you're gonna click on it. Anywhere you see the yellow exclamatory sign in any of this driver, what you're gonna do is just give a right click on it and update the driver. If you have downloaded it from somewhere, click on browse from my computer for the driver and you're going to show the locations, or you can search over the internet automatically. It will automatically search for the driver and install it. Even you can search for the update on Windows Update. It will search for it on a Windows Update. You can update the PC. Along with your PC update, your drivers will be updated. So this should fix your issue.
The shift key and restart. Click on troubleshoot, advanced option is the startup setting. Click here is a restart. Click on restart. So here we go. So you can make your choice whether normal with networking or command prompt. The option is 4, 5 and 6. So let me try the normal one. So you can try whichever you like. Since the normal safe mode is in number 4, so either you have to press the F4 key in your keyboard or directly press number 4 in your keyboard. And to restart your PC, and here you go. Finally, your PC is in a safe mode. You're going to choose command prompt and click on that. You're going to choose the user account. So you might be having a multiple number of user in your computer. So you're going to choose the user. Make sure you have an administrator privilege to the user. Enter the password if you have password for your account and click on continue. And now here you have a command prompt. Okay guys, I hope command is visible. It will locate the bad sector and recover some of the files that is readable. So guys, you just have to press enter key after you type it correctly. Now you can see it is going on, everything is in process. Just give some time. Doing this might take a pretty long time, so just give some time. Finally, once you're done, you're going to press exit. So if it asks you for any kinds of permission in your computer like yes or no, you're going to type Y for yes and then press enter key. So finally, it's all done. You're going to exit it and now restart your computer.
Go to troubleshoot. Let me restore. See, to use the system restore, you must specify which Windows installation to restore. Restart this computer and select an operating system and then select system restore. Click on close. Okay guys, you're gonna run this command without any spelling mistake. So you can even run this command from advanced mode. Currently you can see it is in a administrator command prompt. So you can run this command even from X drive in advanced mode if you cannot turn on your PC. Access the command prompt from advanced mode and then you can run this command. Press enter key. You can see so everything is okay. And here it is. Its boot code was successfully updated on all targeted volume. Okay guys, this is another command you're gonna run. You can run this command also from advanced mode if you cannot turn on your PC. Press enter key. So guys, I got error 87. So some spelling mistakes. There's no okay. Some spelling mistake. So in case of restore, I have a scan health, and everything is okay. I just put the space in between, and then I'm gonna press enter key. Now you can see it's working. So you're going to use this command instead of first one. First one really do not work. So it's just gonna take some time and it will be done. So you can run this command from advanced mode also. If you cannot log in into your PC, so if you have a loop problem,
You can run it from advanced mode, it's X drive. Just give some time and it will be done. So if you do not proceed ahead, just hit enter key and it will start working. So you can see it's done with it 39.41%. So you can see 100%. The operation completed successfully. Now you're going to exit it. And then I have to give one restart to your computer. And then I have to check if the issue is fixed.
You're just going to choose, it's a troubleshoot. And here you have, reset this PC. Let's click on that. Keep my files or remove everything. Okay guys, this will restart your PC, and after restarting, this is what you get. Your account, one you used to log in your PC. So if it is password protected, you have to enter the password and click on continue. If it is not password protected, just directly click on continue. Now, once you click on continue, this is what you get. Resetting this PC, getting the things ready. So give us some time and it will get all the things ready. Okay guys, now here it is. Once it gets ready, click on reset. This might take several minutes and we are all done. Your PC will be all the way ready to use. So finally, here is your PC all the way ready to use.
Okay guys, go to the source and you're going to type installed installed apps. So here you have installed apps. Just give a click on it. And this will open up this page. Here you're going to look for antivirus. You can see the number of apps installed in this device. You're going to look for antivirus. Currently, I do not have an antivirus installed right over here. So you're going to search for antivirus. Yeah, you're going to select it and give a right click on it and just click on uninstall. So before you uninstall, make sure you have a backup. Sometimes antivirus will not be causing the problem. In case, in order to check if antivirus is causing the problem, we'll uninstall it. If you need it, if you had a backup, you can install it again. So I recommend you to keep the backup before uninstalling. So just uninstall the antivirus and check it out. So this is the way how you uninstall the antivirus. Here you will have all the installed programs. I do not have an antivirus right now. So uninstall the antivirus and give a look if it fixes your issue.
So how do you install the Windows 11 using a bootable USB flash drive? So at first you need to create a bootable USB flash drive, and then after you're going to enter the BIOS in your PC. Once you enter the BIOS, so you can check for it on Google. So different brand has a different function key. So I'm using Lenovo. Restart the PC and continuously press the F1 key, help you enter the BIOS. You're going to choose the boot, system boot capability as a UEFI. If it is a legacy, you're going to choose UEFI. If it is already UEFI, you don't have to do anything. Next thing,
it's a boot priority. Somewhere in this bar setting also, you'll see the boot priority. The first boot device, you can choose it as a USB bootable drive. So for my PC, it's a F12 key in order to enter into the boot menu option. So different PC has a different function. Some PC uses to restart it and press the escape key continuously. You can enter the boot menu. So in some PC, here over in the somewhere you're going to see in the different tab, different PC has a different arrangement. In advanced or somewhere, you're going to see the boot priority. The first boot priority you can choose as a USB flash drive. So now I'm going to save it. So in order to save, you can see it's F10 to save and exit. So whichever key help you to save and exit, you can save and exit it. Now I'm going to press the F12 key. So for this PC, F12 key seriously works. So I forgot to insert the bootable USB flash drive. So do not do this mistake. Insert your bootable USB flash drive. So it's not detecting. So I should have inserted it in the beginning itself. So I'm going to escape it. And again, I'm going to press the F12 key. So I'll have to restart the PC again. So I'm restarting the PC again and pressing the F12 key. I can see now it is recognizing. I'm going to boot it from my USB bootable pen drive. I can see setup is starting, so it might take some time. You're going to see this. You can choose the language and all. Click on next and then click on install now. So setup is starting now. So if it can ask you for any kinds of license key, so you must have purchased a license key. So enter the license key, or you can just visit the Microsoft.com website and you can get the general license key and you enter the license key. So my PC supports the Pro version. So I'm just going to install the Pro version. So Windows 11 Pro. After selecting it, you're going to click on next. It's going to ask you to accept it. So you can choose any operating system with whatever license you have purchased. Since I have the licensed PC for the Pro version, I choose the Pro version. So depending upon your PC, whichever license key you have purchased, you're going to choose that. So I'm going to select any one of the drive where you would like to install. So it's 99.4 GB. I'm going to install over here in this drive. So at first I'm going to just format it. Now I'll choose the drive and then click on next. Now it is copying the file. So completing this process is gonna take some time. So you can just walk around and come. So during the installation process, your PC might restart for the several times. Now just a moment.
Okay, finally, here you have your Windows 11 ready.